into the vents, making all the sounds with presence. I am eating bugs. Found on March 15th. It was a bug. I ate the bug. Left under the trees. There were some bugs. I ate the bugs. Please don't judge me for eating bugs. Look at that diary, so you don't know I've been eating bugs. Found under some dirt. It is the dirt. Don't make it its dark joke, please. In the depths of my kitchen. Wow! Can't be bothered eating toast. I don't know what comes on my toast. I like to put bugs on my toast, you know. I am eating bugs on toast.
Fuck.
There's a bug under